Number 1. Do a diploma. It means to study for and obtain a diploma from an educational program.
She decided to do a diploma in graphic design. She decided to do a diploma in graphic design. He's doing a diploma at a local community college. He's doing a diploma at a local community college. Many students do a diploma after high school. Many students do a diploma after high school.
Number 2. Do your duty. It means to perform one's responsibilities or obligations.
Soldiers do their duty to protect the country. Soldiers do their duty to protect the country. She does her duty as a nurse every day. She does her duty as a nurse every day. As a lifeguard, he does his duty attentively. As a lifeguard, he does his duty attentively.
Number 3. Do an essay. It means to write an essay, usually for school or college.
Tonight, I need to do an essay for class. Tonight, I need to do an essay for class. She did her essay on global warming. She did her essay on global warming. Students often do essays as part of their exams. Students often do essays as part of their exams.
Number 4. Do an exam. It means to take a test or examination to assess knowledge.
We have to do an exam next week. We have to do an exam next week. He did the exam and felt confident. He did the exam and felt confident. Tomorrow, I'll do an exam in mathematics. Tomorrow, I'll do an exam in mathematics.
Number 5. Do exercises. It means to perform physical activities to stay fit.
She does exercises every morning to stay healthy. She does exercises every morning to stay healthy. Let's do some exercises to warm up. Let's do some exercises to warm up. He does exercises even when traveling. He does exercises even when traveling.
Number 6. Do someone a favor. It means to help someone out, to do something helpful for someone.
Can you do me a favor and shut the door? Can you do me a favor and shut the door? I did him a favor by driving him home. I did him a favor by driving him home. She always does her friends favors. She always does her friends favors.
Number 7. Do someone a good turn. It means to perform a kind or helpful act for someone.
He did someone a good turn by offering his seat. He did someone a good turn by offering his seat. Doing someone a good turn makes both feel good. Doing someone a good turn makes both feel good. Yesterday, I did her a good turn with chores. Yesterday, I did her a good turn with chores.
Number 8. Do gymnastics. It means to participate in the sport that involves exercises and routines.
My sister does gymnastics every Thursday. My sister does gymnastics every Thursday. He started to do gymnastics at age 5. He started to do gymnastics at age 5. They do gymnastics to improve flexibility. They do gymnastics to improve flexibility.
Number 9. Do your hair. It means to style or arrange your hair.
She does her hair every morning before school. She does her hair every morning before school. I'll do my hair before we go out. I'll do my hair before we go out. He doesn't take long to do his hair. He doesn't take long to do his hair.
Number 10. Do your homework. It means to complete school assignments at home.
Please do your homework before watching TV. Please do your homework before watching TV. She did her homework right after school. She did her homework right after school. He forgot to do his homework yesterday. He forgot to do his homework yesterday.
Number 11. Do judo. It means to participate in the martial art of judo.
He goes to do judo every Wednesday evening. He goes to do judo every Wednesday evening. She started to do judo to improve fitness. She started to do judo to improve fitness. Many kids do judo at the community center. Many kids do judo at the community center.
Number 12. Do a lecture. It means to give a formal talk or presentation, usually at a university.
He will do a lecture on ancient history. He will do a lecture on ancient history. She did a lecture at the college yesterday. She did a lecture at the college yesterday. Tomorrow, I have to do a lecture on economics. Tomorrow, I have to do a lecture on economics.
Number 13. Do a research project. It means to conduct a detailed study on a specific topic.
Students must do a research project this semester. Students must do a research project this semester. They did a research project on renewable energy. They did a research project on renewable energy. Doing a research project can be very challenging. Doing a research project can be very challenging.
Number 14. Do some shopping. It means to go out and buy things from stores.
Let's do some shopping this weekend. Let's do some shopping this weekend. She did some shopping for the new semester. She did some shopping for the new semester. I need to do some shopping for groceries. I need to do some shopping for groceries.
Number 15. Do sport. It means to participate in physical activities or athletics.
Kids who do sport stay healthy and active. Kids who do sport stay healthy and active. He doesn't often do sport outside of school. He doesn't often do sport outside of school. We do sport together as a family. We do sport together as a family.
Number 16. Do a subject. It means to study a particular topic or field.
She does the subject of biology at university. She does the subject of biology at university. He's doing a subject on artificial intelligence. He's doing a subject on artificial intelligence. I decided to do a subject in literature. I decided to do a subject in literature.
Number 17, do a talk. It means to give a short presentation or speech.
Next week, I will do a talk on safety. Next week, I will do a talk on safety. She did a talk at the workshop. She did a talk at the workshop. They're planning to do a talk on teamwork. They're planning to do a talk on teamwork.
Number 18, do weightlifting. It means to lift weights as a form of exercise or sport.
He does weightlifting to build muscle. He does weightlifting to build muscle. They do weightlifting at the gym every morning. They do weightlifting at the gym every morning. She started doing weightlifting last year. She started doing weightlifting last year.
Number 19, do wrestling. It means to participate in the sport of wrestling.
Many high schools offer chances to do wrestling. Many high schools offer chances to do wrestling. He does wrestling as his main sport. He does wrestling as his main sport. She went to do wrestling at the sports club. She went to do wrestling at the sports club.
Number 20, do yoga. It means to engage in yoga for exercise and relaxation.
She does yoga to stay calm and flexible. She does yoga to stay calm and flexible. Doing yoga in the morning refreshes me. Doing yoga in the morning refreshes me. They do yoga together in the park. They do yoga together in the park.